Never, ever, never. Never, ever, never. You're the universe and I was revolving like a sun on my own.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to yet another vlog. I know it's been a minute, but we are back. So today we are going to the kitchen to bake a vanilla cake. So let's do this.
I know that you would do anything for me, but I just need to move on. I was running from a bad thing when I first met you. This is gonna hurt, but it doesn't make it any less true. I never really loved you. I never really did call you my only.
So these are the ingredients. We have 2 cups of wheat flour, then 1 full teaspoon of baking powder, half a cup of sugar, this is half cup of milk, these are 2 eggs, half cup of vegetable oil, and then half teaspoon of vanilla essence. So before we mix our ingredients, I want to preheat my oven. So I will do 180 degrees, 180, you think ni hapo, and then we do the juu na chini, si ndio? And then we give it 10 minutes. As you can see, it has started eating. So let's mix the ingredients. So I'm going to mix my ingredients. I take my 2 eggs and then I whisk.
I'm only holding on to something in my head.
Then I add my sugar. So before I whisk, I'm going to mix this. There is a splash. I think it's okay.
Because I'm lonely. I never ever meant to hurt you, but it doesn't.
So I'm going to add the vegetable oil, and then we repeat the same thing.
Make it any less true. Never ever never, but it doesn't make it any less true. You say you won't tell my.
This is milk, so we add.
Eyes have been glowing since I've been on my own. I was scared to.
Then we add the vanilla essence. We repeat the same thing.
Start my own new story. I've been stuck for too long.
So this is the baking powder and this is the flour. I'm going to mix them and then I sieve. So I mix the baking powder.
I was running from a bad
my mixture here.
Any less true. Never, ever, never. But it doesn't make it any less true. Never, ever meant to hurt you. But it doesn't make it any less true. Never, ever meant to hurt you. But it doesn't make it any less true.
So I'm going to apply some oil on this baking tin. So it's ready. So we pour our mixture here, then we put it to the oven. Okay. So this is the wheat flour I've added here to prevent the cake from sticking. It's okay. So we pour the mixture. This is our mixture. It's very ready. So we're going to put it in the oven. We do 60 minutes, and I think 60, right? And then iko sawa. So let's give it some time tuone vile itatokea. We also did cupcakes. Let me take one. Here. kata katikati. Cuff it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly subscribe if you've not subscribed. Bye.